Number 5. So I'm in my browser, and if you are a Microsoft Exchange user, you can actually do this on your app, but I'm going to show you how to do it on the browser. So once you go in here, you're going to go over to the left-hand side and look for new, and you're going to go and tap on mail. Now what will happen is it'll open as a small window, and what we want to do is click on the top right-hand side where it says open in new window, and it'll open up a new tab. So the first thing we want to do is go ahead and choose a recipient. So we're just going to type in who we would like to send this to. And then we can also enter in a subject over here. So let's just enter in that subject. And then what we want to do is go into the body of our email, and we want to create what we want to be our email template. Now, as you can see over here, I have used this one, and I'm going to just take this out, and this is now going to be my template. You can add a table in here. You can add images, videos. You can add whatever it is. You can create whatever it is that you would like to have as your template. Now, once you're done with this section, we're going to go up and we're going to look for the apps section right over here. Now, make sure that you're still in message and look for apps, and you're going to click on this. Now, as you can see, I've already got my templates installed as an app, but if you don't, you're going to go ahead and click on this get add-ins, and over here you'll be able to add the my templates add-in. Once we have it added in, we're going to click on our apps and we're going to click on my templates. You will have the sidebar come up over here, and you will see that there are a few created templates. What we want to do is tap on new template. We want to give it a title. Let's just call it Yo Peeps, and then we want to enter in what we would like to have as our template body. All right, so this is now our template body, and we're going to tap on save, and this is what it looks like. Now what you can do additionally is you can go ahead and you can tap on the edit template button over here on the right hand side, and you can just edit it as you go. Maybe your needs change, maybe things change, you can edit it, or you can just create a completely new one, and you can find all of your templates right over here on the right hand side. And once you're done, you can go ahead and tap on send, and you can continue to reuse this template over and over. Number 4. The first thing you want to do is, of course, open a new mail. And as you can see over here, I have an animated GIF in my signature, right? But what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you 2 ways to do this. So first of all, if you're going over to the top of your ribbon, you're going to tap on insert, and here you can tap on signature. Now, once you tap on signatures at the bottom, you can create a new signature. This will open up a new window where you can create a new signature. So on the right hand side, you're going to tap on new. You're going to give it a name. So let's go signature GIF, and we're going to name it number 2, and we're going to say okay. Now what you're going to do here is you are going to type in whatever you want your signature to be. So let's go Sam I am is out. Give it some exclamations, and then you want to just hit enter. You want to jump to the next line. Now what you can do is hold in the Windows key on your keyboard and hit the period key. Right, this will bring up this menu. Now once you on this menu, you're going to go over to GIF, and you are going to choose a GIF from here. Now what I did was I just chose a random GIF, and just for example, let's use this one. You're going to use that one, and it's going to pop in here. You're going to then tap on OK. Now every time you open a new mail, you can go up to signature, and you can use whichever signature you would like that you've preset. Now this is the one that we've just made. What you can do then is you can resize it, okay, and then in that previous window where we added it, we can resize it there as well. But let's say we don't want this in here every single time. So let's go to our signatures again, and let's go to this signature that we've created. Let's go to signatures, and let's say we want to take this one and we want to remove that. Okay, now this is what the signature will look like. So every time you add this signature, it'll only have the text that you've put in there. Now, again, you can use that Windows key and the period button, and you can go ahead and you can add that GIF in individually. You can use different GIFs per signature, and you can customize it to your liking. There we go. I've shown you how to preset your signature using a GIF, and also I've shown you how to enter customized GIFs when creating your signature. Number 3. The first thing we want to establish is it available for everybody? Now, Teams currently, if you're using the Teams app on your desktop, is only available for a business email or a professional email. So if you're using a free personalized email, then you are not going to be able to use Teams. So let me show you what to do. So I'm on the Outlook desktop app, and I'm going to go to File. Now, once we're in File, we're going to go down to Options, and we're going to go and look for the add-ins at the bottom. Now, once you're here, you will see a group of active application add-ins. Now, you should find the Microsoft Teams meeting add-in for Microsoft Office here. Now, there are two other categories. There are inactive applications and there are disabled applications. If you happen to find the Teams add-in here, you can go to the bottom of the page where it says Manage, and just make sure that it's on COM add-ins. Okay, if it is underneath the inactive, and you're going to tap on Go, and you will find it here. Now, currently, as you see, it says Microsoft Teams Meeting add-in for Microsoft Office. It is checked on, so we want to make sure that that is checked on. Now, if it is in the disabled, right, I'm going to show you that you can, at the bottom here where it says Manage, we are going to just open the disabled items, and we're going to say Go, and it'll show you the disabled items. So that's fine. We're going to leave that for now. So that's how you add it in. Okay. One other note that I must make is that if you are logging in to Microsoft Teams on the desktop app, you won't be able to do so, as I mentioned before, with a personal email address. But if you're going on, let's say perhaps to Office 365 on your web browser, you can access Teams on the left hand side over here, and it'll open up like this. Now, for the longest time, I was unable to connect the Teams add-in onto Outlook because I did not open Microsoft Teams and log in. So you need to log in with Microsoft Teams on the browser, and then you can freely use that add-in on your desktop app. Number 2. The first thing you want to do is open the email that you would like to convert. So let us double click on the email. Now, once you've done so, you're going to go up to the top left-hand side and look for File. Once you are in File, you're going to travel down to Print. Now, you will see the printer options that you have here, and you want to choose Microsoft Print to PDF, right? Now, this should be your default, and if it's not, you will need a PDF reader installed on your device. Adobe Acrobat is probably the best. It's been around forever. And what will happen is once you tap on Print, you will now have the option to save that document. Okay, so all you need to do is then save the name, and over here you can see it says save as type, and it's as PDF. You can go ahead, choose your location, and tap on save, and there you go. You've got an Outlook email straight into PDF. Number 1. What you want to do is travel up to the top left hand side. Now we are in the desktop app, and we're going to tap on File. Now once you are in File, you'll travel all the way down to the bottom and look for Office Account. Now, in Office Account, you will have a few options. You have the Office background, and here you will change what the background looks like. If you have a look on the top right hand side on your banner, you will see the different images coming up there, and then the Office theme. Here you want to go ahead and use whichever color you would prefer. So if you're going to go ahead and tap on colorful, you will have colorful, dark gray will be dark gray, black, white, and as you please. If you dig these top 5 video vibes, subscribe to the channel, smash that like button, comment down below, and share with a friend. Peace.